will start today. So let me know about the binary search tree. Okay. So do you think any is there any problem regarding the binary search tree? I want
No,
to know
sir.
that I want to know that do you have any problem of binary search tree? What is the problem of binary search tree? Can anybody can give me any idea that what is the problem? What is the purpose of binary search tree? Anybody can say? Any idea? So how many tree we have already covered? Please try to think like this. So
Sir, binary tree, binary search tree.
yeah, okay, continue.
স্যার মানে অ্যাকচুয়ালি অনেকগুলো ডাটা একসাথে করার জন্য কি বাইনারি সার্চ ট্রিটা হেল্প করে, মানে কনস্ট্রাক্ট মোর ডাটা লাইক অ্যারের মাধ্যমে বা লিঙ্ক লিস্টের মাধ্যমে, মানে একসাথে অনেক ডাটা স্ট্রাকচারকে আই মিন মাল্টি সেটস বা কনস্ট্রাক্ট করার জন্য কি কাজে লাগে বাইনারি সার্চ ট্রি?
Okay, okay.
মানে স্যার অ্যাবস্ট্রাক্ট ডাটা টাইপ গুলোকে কনস্ট্রাক্ট করতে বাইনারি সার্চ ট্রি কাজে লাগে,
No, 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 no.
মানে
এরকম কিছু।
অ্যাকচুয়ালি মাল্টিপল সেটস অফ ডাটা স্ট্রাকচার আমরা একসাথে বাইনারি সার্চ ট্রির মাধ্যমে পেতে পারি, এটাই মনে হচ্ছে স্যার।
Okay. So do you have any idea about the searching? Whether searching is first or not in case of binary search tree? No. Okay. Let me show you that. Suppose screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose I'm just show you one of the binary tree. For example, this is 30. You can take any example. This is 50, and for example, this is 40. I don't know. I'm just randomly taking this number of key value. So, for example, 10, and 80, and for example 5. Okay. So I have taken so many key. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 key is there. So suppose if I want to construct the binary tree, anybody can help me how to construct the binary tree? What is the first node?
30.
30 is the first node. Very good. Then 50 will be placed. I'm just not using the
Right,
circle right now.
right side.
I'm just not using because I have to draw it. I'm just mentioning the number. Okay. So 50 is the right side. Then if I want to insert 40, it will be left side of 50, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if I consider 10, so it will be left side of 30. Then 80, so means 50 80. And if I consider 5, so 10 5. Is it okay? Is it understood by
Yes, sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the height of a binary? Suppose I want to find out 40. So I want to search the key element 40. So how many comparison are required?
Sir, 3.
Okay.
Sir, 3, sir.
Right. So first I will compare with the root node. So that is 30. So this is comparison 1. Then again I will compare with the, since if I compare with 30 and key element is 40. So this is one comparison. It is less than or greater than, it is greater than. So I will move to the right branch, right hand side. So then I'll again will compare this one with 50. So number of comparison is 1 plus 1. So it is less than 40 is less than 50. Then again we will compare with the root node. So number of comparison is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to, that is 3. And the comparison will give me the true value. So that means if I want to compare with the 40 equal to 40, yes, right, the item is found in the binary in this position. So number of comparison is 3, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if I want to find out, for example, 42, I am just discussing what are the problem maybe arise or not or like that. So, if I want to find out 42, so how many comparison is required?
Sir, 3.
3 comparison is required. Whether the search is successful or unsuccessful.
Unsuccessful.
Right, very good. So also we need a 3 comparison, and the successful since the key element 42 is not present in the binary search tree, so it will give me the search unsuccessful. Okay, so similarly if I want to find out 5, how many comparison is required?
Sir, same 3.
No, if I want to find out the 5, so how many comparison is
Sir,
required?
two.
2 comparison is required.
Sir, two.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir, too.
so this is one of the comparison. Sorry, no, I am wrong. So
3
3
comparison.
comparison. Okay, 1 comparison, 2
Three.
comparison, and 3 comparison. Okay, so similarly try to understand. So binary search tree is basically used to reduce the searching time. Okay, try to understand here. Number of comparison is 3. So if I want to actually we calculate the height of a binary tree. What is the height of this binary tree? Anybody can say what is the height of the binary tree? These are the basic question you must have to remember this one. What is the height? So generally we consider the height of a root is consider 0, and next level is 1, and the next one is 2. So what is the height of a binary tree in this case?
3.
3. If I consider 1, then 2, then 3, so height of a binary tree is 3. And if I start from 0, so height of a binary tree is 2. So try to understand. So in the same key, with the same key, okay, if I arrange this key in such a way, for example, if I consider 50, okay, like 50, then 40, then 30, I'm just writing same key, but I'm just changing the order. So 50, 40, 30, make it 80 first, and 30, then after that 10, 5. Okay, how many key are there? You can take the key randomly. Try to understand the matter what I am talking right now. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 and 5. Okay, now if I want to construct the order of the key value are same, that there are 6 key, the value of the each of the key are same, but the order is changed, right? So if I order is changed, how many let me just remove all those things. So if I construct this tree, anybody can help me? What is the root node?
80.
80. Then
So লেফটে হবে
আর লেফটে হবে
40.
50. 50 হবে লেফটে।
ওকে, হ্যাঁ 50 আর রাইটে হবে 40.
what about others?
লেফটের
What about others? Why are you not responding?
Body में डर
I am not getting. I am not 30, then 10, then 5. So what is the height of this tree? Anybody can say? What is the height?
4 স্যার 5 5 স্যার।
So,
Height, sir.
1, 2, 3, whatever. Try to understand. If the order, so in the previous tree, I have just removed it. So previous tree, height of a tree is log n. Yes or no? In the previous picture, the height of a tree is log n, but in this case the height of a tree is n. Yes or no? So in case of binary search tree, if the number of elements are same, if for example 6, so height is 6, like that. So in case of if I place the 6 here, I will get the height, exact height. So if the number of elements, for example 100 or 500, or if I consider 10 for simplicity, so we can understand the height of the tree. So height of the tree may be less or maybe greater than. Okay, so minimum height of a binary search tree is log n, we know that, and the maximum height of a binary search tree is n. Now tell me why we are getting the different kind of height? Anybody? Anybody can tell me why we are getting the different kind
স্যার
of
অর্ডারের
सर्चिंग
অর্ডারটা
कम
চেঞ্জ
करने के लिए सर, मतलब
হ্যাঁ স্যার
ज्यादा हमको सर्च नहीं करना पड़े किसी एलिमेंट के लिए।
I'm agree with you. So try to understand in this case if I want to find out for example 5 harmonic comparison is required, 6 or if 6 comparison is required, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so if the height of the tree is uh, mm, greater, then number of comparison is number of comparison is less or is greater?
लेस सर।
Less.
लेस सर।
In the previous example, if I want to find out the 5, so how many comparison was? 3 comparison.
3 सर। कंपैरिजन।
But in this order, we are getting the number of comparison is 6. So comparison means how much time is required to find a particular element in a binary search tree, right?
Yes, sir.
How much time is required? So this concept is
n
clear to
times.
everyone? N times. Okay, if the number of element is greater, so maximum comparison may be n. Okay, right? So here try to understand. Protha tell me that you are correct that here we are just changing the order of the element when we are going to construct a binary search tree. According to the order of the element, we are going to construct the tree. Then the comparison is different, right? So number of comparison is different means to find a particular element in the binary search tree, it is less or greater, it depend on some variable thing. So if I consider simple one, if I take the simple one for understanding, if I take for example 10 20 30 for understanding, I am taking 3 key for understanding. So if I consider one of the tree, for example if I consider first node 10, then this is 20, right, and this is 30. One of the key is possible, and if I change this one, the order of this key is changed. For example, if I write 20 first, then 10, then 30. So what will be the binary search tree if I construct in this way? So 20 will be my first node, and 10 is my
10
left hand side left tree,
left
and
hand
30 is my
30.
right sub tree. Okay, and if I change this one, for example, if I write 30 then 20 then 10, what will happen? So I will get like this: 30 is here, 20 is here, then 10 here. Okay, and if I change something like 20 10 is middle, 10 is first, 10 is first, 10 is first, and okay, let me change another way. So 10 30 then 20, what will happen? 10 will be my root node, then 30 in the right hand side, and 20 is the left hand side. Now question is, if the order is changed, for example, how many key are there? How many key are there?
सर सर
Oh yeah, tell
सर
me.
লাস্টের एग्जांपल স্যার 20 টা তো 30 রাইটে হবে।
Sorry, I made a mistake.
30 রাইটে।
Sorry. Extremely sorry. Okay, this value is 20, so it will be left hand side. Okay, similarly we can change so many other. How many key are there? 3, only 3 key.
3
But how many 3 are possible? 3 factorial. Okay, how many combination we can arrange? 3 factorial. So 3 factorials means 6. So how many tree I have already drawn here? I showed it you 1 2 3 4. So 2 more possible, 3 can be possible. Okay, yes or no?
यस सर।
But try to understand, in case of this one, what is the height of a tree? This is, if I consider
3.
0, this is 1, and this is 2. Or if I consider 1 2 3, so if I consider this one, what is the height of a tree?
2
Okay, if I consider this one, what is the height of a tree?
3.
3. And if I consider, if I change another order, for example, if I consider 30 20 30 20, this one, if I consider, say 30 is my root node and 20 will be my left hand side, sorry, right hand side, and 10 will be my left hand side, right? Yes or no? Sorry, I made a mistake.
No
না তো স্যার
স্যার, নো স্যার,
30 লেফট হ্যান্ড সাইড তো স্যার 20 হবে আর
20
20
তো
রাইট।
Both are left hand
লেফট
side, sir.
হবে।
Okay, this thing
Because
is,
sir, 20 less than
okay,
30 and
this
10 is less than 20.
this tree this combination has already drawn here 30 20 10. Okay, and make it another combination. For example, if 10 then 30, so make it 10 20 then 30. No, so 30 is possible, so make 20
10, 20, 15.
20 then it's a 30. Okay, how many combination we have completed so far? One combination, two combination, three combination. I'm just removing all those things. Four combination. Now two more possible combination is possible.
Sir, 20, 30, 10 होगा sir.
20 30 20 30 10. Yes, 20 30 10. We have not done here. 20 30 10. Okay, so 20 is my root node, no problem.
और sir
30
10,
is the
30,
right hand
10.
side and 10 will be my left hand side. I think this one is completed here. Okay, this one is completed. Okay, let me draw once again. Okay, so 10 20 30 is complete. Then 30 20 10 is complete. Let me write here, so otherwise I am not getting the last one. 30 20 10 is possible, already done. Then make it 20 30 10, that is completed. Then 20, then 10, then 30. This one is also completed. Okay, make the change color. Then 10 20 30. Okay, 20 10 20 10 30 is completed. 20 30 10 is completed. Make it 20 in the last hand side, so you can make 10 30 and 20. I think this one is not completed. Let me check. So 10 is the root node. Okay, and 30 is my right hand side and this one is my left hand side. Oh, this one is also completed. Sorry, this one is completed. So 10 30 and 20. Okay, next one is 10 20 30. Next one is maybe one of the, is it understood by everyone what I am talking?
Yes, sir.
10 30 10 20 is not completed. Movie, let me check everybody. 20. So
सर लेकिन ये वाला पढ़ क्यों रहे हैं, मतलब
बता रहा
इस
है,
3 जो नोट्स है।
बता रहा है ठीक है, wait for some time. So 30 is my root node. I have not mentioned. Yes, 30 is my root node. Let me draw here. 30 is my root node. Then 10 will be my left hand side. Okay, and 20 will be then right hand side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe
Sir.
one of the possible combination is possible. So try to understand. If the number of key, I want to say that if the number of key is 3, then 3 factorial. If the number of key is n, then n factorial. A number of node is n, then n factorial combination of binary search tree is possible. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
we have seen that here the sum of the tree is minimum height, and sum of the tree, for example, this one, another one for first one. Okay. So sum of the key height of the binary search tree is less, and sum of the binary search tree is height is greater than. So if the combination of key is different, then the height of the binary search tree may be different. So it is not controlled by the binary search tree. So from this conclusion we can say that if the height of a binary search tree is less, then number of comparison required is less. So that means finding a particular element or key item or key value in a binary search tree is depend on the how we have already created height of the binary tree. Actually you can say the height of the binary tree. If height of the binary search tree is less, then complexity will be finding a particular element in a binary search tree will be, time complexity will be less. Yes or no? This conclusion is correct? Up to this point is correct? So how we can say that, how can I improve the binary search tree? So because we don't know how we construct the binary search tree, based on this complexity searching time will be more or less. So if I want to control this feature, so this is the we can say disadvantage of binary search tree. So if the height of the binary search tree is more, then number of comparison is required to finding a searching particular element is more, and if the less, then it is okay. But we are not sure whether the binary search tree height is fixed or not. Okay. So to overcome this problem, can you improve the binary search tree? Yes, obviously we can improve. How can I improve? If I want to improve the binary search tree, so mainly we have to consider that we have to fix the balance, fix the height of a binary search tree. So in such a way, so that every time we are getting the minimum comparison to find a particular element in a binary search tree. So searching procedure will be improved compared to binary search tree. So this tree is called, if I reduce the binary search tree searching time, this tree is called FVL tree. Okay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to say that to improve the binary search tree, for searching procedure from searching a particular item in a binary search tree, to reduce the searching time, we use another kind of tree that is called FVL tree, or it is called height balance tree. So what does it mean actually? Before that I will discuss, then I will come back to this topic. FVL is basically name after the Russian mathematician, three mathematician. One of the mathematician is GM Adilation, and another mathematician is Velinsky, and another mathematician is E.M. Landis. So these are three mathematicians. In 1962 this tree is named, and this tree is called balance tree. So I will discuss that what does it mean the balance tree. Please 1 minute. Is it understood by everyone what I am talking right now, what I am discussing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have just make a conclusion that we are going to discuss an AVL tree. AVL tree is a height balance tree. First we have to calculate the height. What does mean? I am discussing how to make the balance factor. So before that, we are going to use the AVL tree, because we want to reduce or we can improve the binary search tree in the searching time, right? So if I consider if I consider this one remove, for example, please look at this one. For example, this is 30, okay, one of the key, and this is, for example, 10, okay, and for example this is 30, 10, or make it simple. So this is 30, this is 10, okay, this is 20, this is 30, one of the combination, okay, one of the combination we have drawn so far. So, and what we expect, for example, this is 20, this is 10, and this is 30, right? So what is the height of this tree? Height of this tree is, if I consider this is 0 and this is 1, or if I consider this is 1 and this is 2. So height of the binary tree in this case is 2, in this case
2.
this is the height of the binary tree is 3, right? Okay, so we want to reduce the binary search tree, height balance tree, so that means we want to restrict the height of a binary search tree so that searching time will be less. So if there is any combination of this tree, for example, if I considering this 3 node, that we can reduce the height of a binary tree in this way. So we are always expecting this type of diagram, yes or no, so that we can reduce, okay, like now the one of the thing we have to keep that mind.
স্যার একদম লেফট সাইডে যে ড্রটা রয়েছে ওটাতে হাইটটা কত রয়েছে 2 তো
2, if I consider actually
হ্যাঁ
starting
ওকে
from
স্যার
0, if I consider
হুম
this one static level 0, so 0 1 height of the tree is 1, and if I consider this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, then height of the binary tree is this is 2. So whatever it is, and if I consider counting from 1, then height of this tree is 2, and if I consider this one, so height of the tree is 3. So this is less than, okay, less compared to this one. This tree is height is greater than. So if I consider 50 nodes, so height of the tree would maximum will be n, we know that, and we want to reduce n number of height, height is n, then we want to reduce into a log n, right? We want such kind of tree. So who will give me always the height of this tree is log n, yes or no?
ইয়েস স্যার
Yes. So
Yes, sir.
that's why we are we improve the binary search tree in such way. It's a this tree is called AVL tree. So AVL tree, the first term is AVL tree is a binary search tree. Okay. What is the first thing? AVL tree. AVL tree is a height balance tree, and it's a binary search tree. First, the tree must be binary search tree. Okay. What does mean the binary search tree? For example, this is the root node. Whatever the value in the left hand side, all the key value must be, or all the node value must be less than to the root in the left hand side, and all the value in the right hand side must be greater than to the root in the right hand side. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, first thing, we have to, how to balance a binary search tree. We have to use a highest balance factor, that is called, if I write balance factor BF, okay, I have already seen the note, please go through the note. Okay, this note is very useful. That is balance factor, height of the left sub tree minus height of the right sub tree. Okay. Okay. So in this previous example, we see that for example this one 10, 20, for example, sorry, make it 10, 20 and 30. I want to reduce like this. I want 10, 20, sorry, let me move.
Scheduler
20, this is 30, and this is 10. How can I do that? If I rotate this something, this one, so suppose this is the node, this is node. If I wrote this node, so we will get like this. Okay, so we will get like, for example, height, we can 20 will be here, and this is 10. Okay, 10 will be here and 30 will be here if I rotate this node. Okay, so there are so many rotation are there are 4 kind of rotation, so we will discuss later when we talk about the how to create the binary search AVL tree, or how to generate the binary AVL tree, then we will discuss. So right now try to understand, if I want to this kind of configuration, if I want to reduce the binary tree, we can do that. If I move this rotates this node to the left hand side, then we can draw this type of binary search tree. So one of the thing we have to try understand before that, this thing will be I will discuss, that is called actually rotation, and there are 4 type of rotation I will discuss later right now. So before that we have to understand how to balance the binary search tree. Okay, so balance factor, what does mean the balance factor? Height of a left subtree and height of a right subtree. So left subtree minus right subtree. So what does it mean actually? If I make something, so what is the height of this binary tree? And sorry, what is the height of this binary this node?
0.
So try to understand what is the balance factor, right? So no left subtree is present, no right subtree is present. So left 0 minus 0, so the height of this tree is 0. So actually try to remember that height of the particular node of is every time is, if there is a leaf node or if it is a leaf node, then always height of this tree is height of the node is 0. Okay, so this is also 0 because 0 minus 0. But what is the height of this tree, this node, particular this node?
0.
I'm just calculating balance factor each of
0,
the
sir.
sorry, not height, is I am calculating the balance factor. I'm sorry, I am calculating the balance factor. So height of the left subtree is 1 and height of the right subtree is 1. Yes or no? So 1 minus 1, that is also
Yes, sir.
0. So balance factor for
0.
this node is 0. Please try to understand what is the balance factor. I am removing this one. Make a simple page so that you can get the idea. Just 1 minute, make a notepad so that you can get the clear idea. Okay, make it white. Okay, so for example, if I write 10, this is for example 20, and this is 30. Okay, what is the height of this node, particular node? What is the balance factor actually, not
3.
height? This one is no leaf node, so this is height of this balance factor. Balance factor of this particular node is left
Minus
is
2.
0, that is 0, that is 0, that is 0. So height balance factor of this particular node is what? 0. And
Sir,
this
0, sir.
this one
Minus 1.
minus 1. Very good. How? Because left subtree is blank, so
0
0
minus
minus
1.
1, so that is minus 1. And what is the balance factor of this particular node
Minus 2.
at this point? So this is minus 2, right? Anybody get what does how we calculated this one? Make it another
Yes,
way.
sir.
So make it another. This is 30, this is 20, and another configuration. This is 10. What is the balance factor of this node?
0.
At this node 0. This one
1.
plus 1.
স্যার এবার এগুলো পজিটিভ হয়ে যাবে
2.
অ্যাকচুয়ালি
And this is
0 1 2
Plus 2.
2. Okay.
ইয়েস স্যার
Acha, what I was expecting that type of structure, right? 20, then 10, then 30. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ইয়েস স্যার
So if I make this one like this one, what is the height? Balance
0.
factor? This is 0.
0, sir.
0 হবে
And this is 0.
0.
So if I reduce the balance factor, sorry, if I reduce the height, the balance factor, the tree must be in balance. Okay. So what does mean the balance actually? So balance tree means, so come to the definition. So AVL tree is a binary search tree in which the height of the left subtree and the height of the right subtree of the root is differ at most by 1. At most by 1 mean maximum 1. So height of the root, okay. Now make it clear. height of the root at least maximum 1. What does it mean? It may be 1, it may be 0, or it may be minus 1, right? At most, sorry, nothing has written, so this is actually plus 1. Nothing written means plus, so minus 1 to plus 1, right? So minus 1, 0, 1, so that is at most 1. So maximum height of a left subtree and right subtree is 1, okay, differ. So in which the left and right subtree of the AVL tree or subtree is also an AVL tree. So it means that it's a recursive definition. So what is AVL subtree? Make it clear. An AVL tree is a height balanced tree in which the height of the left subtree and right subtree of the root differ at most 1. So that means the balance factor, what I have just discussed, that is called balance factor. What is the balance factor of the height of the left subtree minus height of the right subtree? I have just mentioned here. Height of the left subtree, height of the right subtree. Yes or no? So here the balance
Yes,
factor,
sir.
the balance factor is maximum 1, or you can say minus 1, 0, or plus 1. So now look at this. Here this is minus 2. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Here also plus 2. So if I insert any node and the height of the tree is balance factor of the particular root node is differed, then differ means it is, if it is not belongs to minus 1 to plus 1, it not in range, then we can do some rotation. Okay, for example, here we have seen that we are expecting, we have already so that if I consider this type of diagram, if I convert this one, then if I convert this one, then we will get this type of diagram. Okay, and how can it possible? I have just mentioned here that if I rotate this node particular, suppose this is a we can think as a chain pulley. So if I down this node, so if I write 10, then you can do that. Okay, similarly here if I rotate in the right hand side, then we can do that. Similarly we will see some other picture also. So 320 for example, sorry, make it 20, make it 20, then for example, then 30, and then after that if I want to insert, suppose the order of the tree inserting in the key is 20, then sorry, make it 30, then 10. Okay, this combination is possible. So 30, 10, 20, make it draw it. So 30 is here, then 20 is here, 10 is here, then if I want to insert, that is 20 is here. Is it understood, this combination?
Yes, sir.
Yes. I will get that kind of diagram. So if I want to make this one, so there are two rotation is possible. So so that we can get, first we have to remove this. For example, we can do that, then we can do that in this way, we can do that. Okay, so in this way, so how to change a particular if the balance factor of a particular node, a root node is different, then we can do some rotation by which we can get the balanced tree. So that is called AVL tree. Okay, that is called AVL tree. Understood? So let me
Yes,
recap all
sir.
those things. So I have already said height balance tree or AVL tree. Next we will discuss about the how to construct a particular tree, how many type of rotation, how to insert a particular node in the AVL tree, generation of AVL tree. I will also discuss about the deletion. Everything it will take time. Please brush up your knowledge through the class note. Next day we will continue. Okay, so this is today's class is basically for introduction of AVL tree. So far we have covered. Next day we will discuss in more in details how to generate the AVL tree also. Please go through the note And what is the disadvantage of binary search tree? Please prepare this question. What is the disadvantage of binary search tree? Why we are going to use the AVL search tree? Like that. Okay, this question. And next day we will discuss. And this question you will get some, what kind of question you will get in your exam. Some key has been given to you. So we have already seen so many example in your binary search tree. Some key has been given to you. And if I want to construct this one binary search tree, how we will, every time after inserting we will check the balance, whether the balance factor is differ or not, or at most 1 or not. If it is greater than 1, then we will do some rotation, and in this way we can construct the tree, AVL tree. Okay, next day we will discuss. I am not getting the response from anybody. Everybody is understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually I want to response from everybody. If you have any problem, just you can tell me the which part do you not have you not understood. Anyone? Everybody clear?
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, sir.
जो
স্নেহাশিস
বুঝেছি স্যার, বাট একটু পরে দেখতে হবে আরেকবার।
আচ্ছা একবার দেখতে হবে। ওকে, প্লিজ গো থ্রু ইট। অমৃতাংশু,
Yes, sir.
আব্দুল, okay, brush
Yes
up
sir,
your-
yes sir.
okay, please go through the note, and next day we will discuss in details. Then it will be understood by everyone clearly, because we are going to make so many example. We are going to practice so many example. Orunabo, is it clear to you?
Yes sir.
Okay. Reshmi,
sir.
অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স হয়ে গেছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা আমাকে প্লিজ পার্সোনালি করিস, আদারওয়াইজ গায়েব হয়ে যাচ্ছে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স। কোথায় দিচ্ছিস, গ্রুপে দিচ্ছিস, আমাকে বারবার বলছিস।
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks for today. Somebody is waiting in the next, for the next class I will discuss.
Thank you,
স্যার
sir.
পাঠিয়ে দিয়েছি আপনাকে অ্যাটেন্ডেন্স।
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sir.